All righty, let me move some of this stuff around. I've been baking cookies, chocolate chip cookies, and oatmeal with the craisins in them. Oh my goodness, those are really good. And this morning, we mixed up our first loaf of, I'm gonna push that 2-part over. First loaf of sourdough, or bread with the sourdough in it. So, you know, we've been growing this about 10 days, and oh, it's smelling, it almost smells like paint. Almost like a paint smell there. But anyway, I said, let's take some out this morning instead of throwing it away. I took out the correct amount for the bread. We took out 100 grams is what we took out. I'm looking for another towel to be able to lift this thing out. Well, it's warm, but it's not hot enough to burn me. So let's just flip her out. There you go. All right. I say it's a nice heavy bread. Sourdough. I did score the top, and we got some splitting there anyway, but that's not too bad. Not too bad. Baked it for about 45 minutes at 350. Let me do this nice slice here. Let's see what we have. Wow. We got a nice open bread. Let me see what we got there. Well, so let me take a taste. We do buy supermarket I don't know about this. That's really tasty. Okay, I'm not accustomed to making it. I mean, it's going to take me a while to distinguish what the flavors that I'm picking up in there. But boy, I like that openness in the bread there. So that's what we got.